Module 2, Variables and Data Types. Welcome to Beidat IT Training. In Module 2, we'll explore variables and data types in JavaScript. You'll learn how to declare and use variables with var, let, and constant. For example, HTML. Script. Let name equals John. Const age equals 30. /script. We'll also cover different data types, including strings, numbers, booleans, arrays, and objects. For example, HTML. Script. Let is student equals true. Let scores equals 90, 80, 70. /script. Exercises will help you practice declaring variables and using different data types, and a lab project will guide you in developing a script that uses these concepts. An interactive quiz will test your knowledge. By the end of this module, you'll be proficient in using variables and data types in JavaScript. Let's dive into variables and data types.